Hello guys and welcome on first setup of the coffee maker Philips LatteGo. So let's remove the sticker from the display and turn it on. As you can see, we have to select the language now. So if you want to choose other language than English, use the arrows to navigate the menu and click on OK to confirm and configure it again. Now we have to make the water hardness level. So with this device you should get a test, so make it like in the manual and check your water hardness in your home. Now select the amount of the bars on your test. Now we have to insert the tree tray and add the water. To add the water, remove the water tank on the right side. Remember, you can also use the Aqua Clean filter in this appliance. Click on OK. Okay, maybe more water. Oh, sorry about that noise. Now we are heating up the braving unit. Now you can choose that you want to you get information about the eco settings. You can turn it on in the settings, click on the OK. There's an Aqua Clean thing. If you want to install it, click on the OK. If not, just click on the back to skip. And also now just add your coffee and the coffee maker is ready. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment. Thank you. Bye.